Sir, I think you had an important phone call this morning.
Yes, I did. Kaninang umaga, kaya't na-delay itong lakad ko na ito is because I was able to schedule a phone call to President-elect Donald Trump. At nakausap ko siya kaninang umaga. At naaalala naman niya ang Pilipinas. Ang kaibigan niya talaga, mother ko. Kilala niya yung mother ko. Kinukumusta niya si Melda. Sabi ko, binabati ka nga. At tapos patuloy namin pinag-usapan ang samahan, the alliance between the United States and the Philippines. And I expressed to him our continuing desire to strengthen that relationship between our two countries, which is a relationship that is as deep as can possibly be, because it has been for a very long time. And I also reminded the President-elect that ang mga Pilipino sa Amerika overwhelmingly naging binoto nila si Trump. Kaya I'm sure maalala na yan pagka tayo ay para pag nagkita kami. At plano kong makipagkita sa kanya as soon as I can. Sabi niya siguro baka nasa White House na siya para bago ako makapunta. But anyway, it was a very good call. It was a very friendly call, very productive. And I'm glad that I was able to do it. And I think the President-elect Trump was also happy to hear from the Philippines.
Relatedly, sir,
I'm sorry?
Relatedly po dun sa topic ng immigrants ng mga Filipinos, si President Trump confirmed that
We didn't talk about that. We didn't talk about it. It was just a congratulatory call. But of course, our ambassador is already working on that. All right?